Hello good dear viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this interesting equation. We have 2x raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 minus 16x to the power of 1 divided by 3 plus 30x to the negative 2 divided by 3 equal to 0. And we're only looking for real values of x that can satisfy the equation. Before we start, you should know that x cannot be equal to 0. No way. Why? Because you can see one of the variables has a negative exponent. I remember that from one of the laws of indices, if you have x raised to the power of negative a, for example, this is the same thing as 1 divided by x to the positive a. So if x is 0, you can see the whole of this expression is undefined. So we don't want that situation. And since we know x is not equal to 0, we can divide every single term by x raised to the power of negative 2 divided by 3. So let's do that. But before then, I realize 2 is a common factor between the coefficients, so let us reduce them. If you divide every single term by 2, you have the first term to be x raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 minus 16 divided by 2 is 8, x to the power of 1 divided by 3 plus 30 divided by 2 is 15, x to the negative 2 divided by 3, the whole of this equal to 0. And from here we can divide all of these terms by x raised to the power of negative 2 divided by 3. So you know, according to one of the laws of indices, it stated that if you have x raised to the power of a divided by x raised to the power of b, this is always equal to x raised to the power of a minus b. Therefore, we are going to subtract these exponents from top to bottom. We take this, we subtract this, we take this, we subtract this, all through. So let's start from the first term. The first term, we're going to have x raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 minus this. So because of that minus sign here, it is going to turn to positive. So we have 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3, which is 6 over 3. And you know 6 over 3 is equal to 2. So we have 2 here minus 8x to the power of this plus this is going to give us 3 divided by 3, which is 1. You don't have to write it. And we have plus 15 because these variables are exactly the same. So it becomes 1. And 0 divided by that will be 0 as well. So now we have a nice quadratic equation, which can also be factorized. Let us think of two numbers that can be multiplied to get positive 15. And when you add them together, you get negative 8. And the numbers are negative 3 and negative 5. So we have x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 5 equal to 0. And if you set each factor here to be equal to 0, it implies either x equal to 3 or x equal to 5. And hence, these are the solutions to this problem. X equal to 3 or x equal to 5. But x cannot be equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.